Okay, cut tomatoes. There are 4 chicken breasts or chicken thighs, and I'm going to remove all the skin and some of the fat. I used Roma tomatoes because I didn't buy the steak tomatoes, which are better. Then you use half of a red onion. It's sweeter. Use a good knife, not a cheap knife like I am. We're going to put all this is called the refrito. And we're going to put that in the blender. Okay, there goes that. We're going to put a piece of green pepper, put your vitamins in there. That's always part of the refrito. Just a slice, it's probably a piece of this huge one. It's just a piece, it's not a lot. Now we're going to put some cilantro, old bunch, it's probably half a cup. These are cloves. This is the full garlic. These are cloves. You grab the garlic, grab a knife. You can either cut the edge like that, hold a piece down, and then just peel it slowly. Try to get it all out because you put your fingernail in there, that smell will be in there for days. Don't want that. Make sure your kitchen is clean, unlike this one. When you're doing everything, it's just easier. Those are really big, but I'm doing 2 because it gives it a lot of taste. Chicken here is not as tasty. I'm going to put a half a cup of water. Get filtered water. Half a cup. How long has it been recording? Blended. Stop. This is a vital part. Achiote, which is oil, and then we put the annatto seeds in there. You have to heat it up so it can get all the color. So we put around 3 tablespoons of oil. You can hear me. Put that on medium heat. Let the oil become warm, very hot. Cucumbers are good for you. So now the oil is hot. Put it on medium. And we're going to put this licuado to heat up. You're going to hear it sizzle. Okay. It's going to start boiling a little bit. This should be done first actually, but that will boil down. I put the heat on really low. Always remove. Always remove the chicken unless you're going to grill. Always remove the skin if you're going to grill, unless you're going to grill. My first time videotaping, so I'm getting confused. This is for Seco de Gallina, mama style. More or less, it's Ecuadorian. More or less following the way they cook it in Ecuador, but I'm removing the fat. There's always a lot of fat here. I'm gonna rinse it. Okay. Here's more. I know I might be going overboard. Some people don't like removing. They just throw the whole chicken in there. And it's ready to go in. That's 1. 3 more to go. Pause you while I finish. So we're back on. Oh, looks like I have 1 more. Took this long. Let me try. See? We're all done. And we're going to now put it all in the refrito we made earlier. As you can see, they're all in there nice and red. Very healthy sauce. Turn them around, cover them up a bit. It's a very, very healthy meal. Make sure you eat the sauce, Adam and friends. I don't know, can you see that? And we're gonna cover that, but for now, what I'm going to do is put this magic sauce. I bought it at the Latin store. And then we're gonna put a little in there because this actually gives it a lot more taste. I think I'm putting two tablespoons, 3. And we're gonna let it cook on medium heat. Kitchen, sorry about the kitchen. It's a last minute thing so we can have a meal for tomorrow because look how late it is. But at least we'll have a meal and we know how expensive it is to eat out. So we're gonna take this for lunch tomorrow. 20-25 minutes. We'll see when it's done. Come right back. So we're back. 15 minutes have passed and I am tired and cold because I look like I've been running around. I just walked 2 dogs, took care of their business, and now I'm going to add some salt to this because it's boiling now. It's got a nice red tone. Look. See? Put some salt in there. Maybe a little more. Takes a long time for chicken. Don't mind the rice and the over there. Turning it around. The bone can get covered. I'm gonna get some pepper. Put a little pepper on there. See all that? Sometimes I chop up some carrots just to get some added veggies in there. And some potatoes to soak up this liquid sauce gravy that comes with it. But this you pour over the rice, but sometimes it's wasted and it shouldn't be, so I add potatoes in. It makes the sauce thicker. So we're gonna let that simmer a little more. So a good 25, I think 30 minutes have gone by and we're gonna check it. I put some salt. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. Here it is. It smells really great. All the flavors have blended. The sauce smells wonderful. You should smell this. Let's just hope there's enough salt. If not, you know, you add it at each plate. I did grind a little fresh pepper in there. Just three rounds. That was it. 3 short rounds. See? Then you serve this with yellow rice, white rice, slices of avocados, and a salad. And you got a good meal there. And I'm taking one for lunch tomorrow. Adam will eat lunch. Lauren will eat lunch. I saved quite a bit of money there. The sauce is good because you get the tomato, you get the green pepper, onion, garlic. Garlic is really good for your stomach. Watch. See? Bye-bye. Thank you for paying attention.